Hey guys, Richard Blaine here. Thanks for stopping by my Easy Cooking channel tonight. Obviously you can see I'm not wearing my chef coat, which obviously means I'm not going to be cooking tonight, and I'm not. And you can see I'm a little bit disheveled. I haven't shaved in about a week or so because I want to show you what somebody looks like after they go out on a hunting trip for about a week or so. Now I myself have not recently been out on a hunting trip for a week or so, and that's my bird in the background, so don't worry. But what I'm trying to depict is that some friends of mine went out on a hunting trip, and they were out there for about a week, deer hunting, and this is what you look like at the end of the week. I mean, hunting trip is a great social gathering for guys. You get to go out there, you smoke, you drink, you fart, okay? You don't shave, you sit around scratching yourself, all the things that you want to do at home, but you can't because your wife will kill you if you do. It's just a social ritual for guys. And if you happen to bag a deer or an elk, it makes it all the more sweeter. Riley, stop dropping that, okay? So this is what a guy looks like after a week. Now, some time back I did a video where I sharpened a knife, to be exact, this knife. This is the Brent Harp fixed blade hunter that I did a few videos back. ATS 34 5860 Rockwell. Okay, my friend Brent was a longtime student and protege of the great Bob Loveless, and hence makes knives in the Loveless style. Okay, now I sharpened this knife a few weeks back, okay, a few videos back, and my friend Rick told me that he was going on a deer hunting trip and he'd like to take a knife that I sharpened that he could skin a deer with, or an elk if he bagged one. So I retuned this one up, okay, gave it a 20-degree angle, 22-degree angle, and I polished it at about 4,000, and I gave it to Rick to use. Okay, now I can honestly tell you, he bagged the game, he skinned it and dressed it, and even removed the head with this knife and didn't have to sharpen it one time after I was finished with it. Now, this video is going to depict a deer getting skinned, so if you're not into that kind of thing, if you're not into outdoor sports, and you're not into hunting or fishing, you might not want to view this. But if you are, and you want to see the test of a knife, a true test of a knife's metal, we'll say, then go ahead and watch the video, because he skinned that deer and took it all apart with this knife and didn't sharpen it one time. So if you enjoy hunting, you enjoy knife reviews, check out this video, and I'll be cooking for you next week. So let's get going, and I'll see you on the other side.
It's recording now.
Well, got this deer last night. It was raining pretty hard, so we didn't do any videotaping last night because didn't want to get the camera all wet. Didn't have any covers, but we're using a Brent Harp knife. Good little knife. We used it last night to field dress it. Now we're going to use it to skin them out. We're not professional skinners, so please hold your comments to a minimum. Doing the best we can. Although if you do have any tips, we're all ears. All right.
Hold on. Just to show what the weather's like up here.
Once we get this baby started, it'll go pretty quick. I think Brent Harp makes a pretty damn good knife. We'll probably do this in segments to save the battery on the camera, and it won't be as boring either. a bit of fat on them, huh?
So he's got a good layer of fat.
Been up here since last Friday. Seen a lot of elk. This was the only buck we'd seen all week. We'll cook that up for breakfast. We on?
Yep.
Alright, we're back. Stopped a few times to warm our fingers up because it's kind of cold out here. There we go. Get him on this side, Victor?
No, coming around.
Nice size too. Perfect size. In case you're wondering, we're not saving the hide on this thing. Just a little 4x3. Oops. I'll get that other piece later. Can't feel my fingers. Oop. This guy's loaded with fat. Yeah. Excuse me. Tell you what, man, you want to test out a knife, skin a deer. Yeah, bad shot. Victor, I'm going to need you to hold that. Let's shut the camera off. We'll come back. Alright, well, you can see here, we got the head off, got him skinned, even got the head off with the knife. Didn't use a saw or anything, just kind of got in there, worked around, cut through the cartilage, and the head came off. There he is right there. It's a little 4x3. Nice buck, a lot of meat, and this Brent Harp knife did a good job. They're kind of expensive. I'd like to have one, but I can't afford one, so anyway,
Harp,
maybe one day. Focus in on that, Victor.
Not too worried.
Yeah, nice little knife. I think it's, I don't have a tape measure, but it's probably 2.5, 3 inches. That's all you need. Perfect deer knife. We're done. Adios.